Hi guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I bleach and tone my hair at home. I'm going to show you first what products I use before I jump to me actually doing my roots. It's been about 8 to 10 weeks since I got my roots done last, and I did those myself and that was the first time I did it. So I'm going to show some close-ups right now. So at Sally Beauty I spent $40-$60 and I already had some of the products, so that's just if you want to buy the items like in bulk like I did. I bought like a couple items that were bigger than what I got last time, and it was around $20 to $30 last time when I did it with just the small sizes. And for an individual treatment bleach and tone it would be just like the $20 to $30, and if you want to buy things in bulk like I did, so you can do it for 5 times, I'd say it would cost around $40 because that's how much I spent. So let me start sharing with you guys what I got. So first you're going to need a bowl and a brush. This is a really cheap one. This was like $2 and it works well. The brush is like bad quality, but it doesn't matter because I don't really care that much about the brush quality. Next you're going to need this toner bottle. I'm kind of showing you containers first. I'll put the prices of this stuff below. I think this came in a kit with the brush bowl. Next you're going to need something to put your hair in. Saran wrap or like a bag or like a shower cap is what I got. So here's just a basic clear shower cap. That's what I got for after I'm bleaching my hair and it needs to sit and heat itself up. So first you're going to need to actually bleach your hair. You're going to need bleach packets, which is what I use. I got 4 of these. They're by Wella. I like the brand Wella because that's the brand I use for my cream developer and my toner. So I think it's a really good brand. I don't know, it was like the high-end section of Sally, so we'll see how high-end it really is. I've never used this bleach powder before, but it's a step up from what I used last time. Next is the cream developer. This is a 30 volume because my hair is darkish brown to black. You can see by the pictures, and 30 lifts it above that ginger color that it gets if you don't do it correctly. So I got like one that's high enough volume to really lift it to what I want, which is bleach blonde. What I forgot to mention, actually, what you'll need first is plastic gloves. These were like $2, and a comb with like a little parting thing at the end so you can part it into sections when you're doing your hair for an even coating on every single like strand. You don't want to miss any sections like I did in the front last time, so make sure you get a comb that can separate all the pieces. The next step after you bleach your hair is going to be to tone it. So I got the Wella brand T11 Toner. I used T10 last time, but it kind of went to like a purplish gray shade that I didn't want. And this was more of like a coppery, so I'm going to try that one and see what it looks like this time. Hopefully it's way better. Last time I toned my hair for way too long. You're only supposed to keep it on your hair for like 1 to 2 minutes, and I kept it on for like 5. That made it turn like purplish gray, and I don't want to do that again. So I'll show you guys. Hopefully it goes way better than last time, even though last time wasn't that bad, but I'm going to show you guys all the steps and everything. Here is the cream developer you're going to need with the toner. This is 30 volume as well. You're going to need this 30 volume developer as well. I don't know if this one goes with the bleach or the toner, so I'll tell you guys on the screen. This was around $7 to $8 just like the other toner was. I'll put the prices up there for you guys as well. Now that I've shown you guys everything I'm going to use, I'm going to jump straight to the clips of me showing you doing my own hair a couple days later. just got out of the shower, rinsed the bleach out. It was in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's looking pretty coppery, but now we're gonna tone it. So I picked up the Wella T11 Toner. Hi guys, so I just got out of the shower and blow dried my hair. This is my natural hair blow dried, not straightened or anything. As you can see, these are my roots. They're looking a little copper, but I love them so much. And I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys that I actually did my hair good and it's not a fail, not a complete fail. I know the camera works a little shoddy because I had to do it on my phone. And if you want more tutorials, let me know in the comments. I do my own acrylic nails, so if you want to see that or gel, hopefully you guys liked this video as much as I did. Leave a like down below if you did and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Hopefully I'm going to start posting a lot more soon. I have a lot of ideas and I'm so excited to share them with you. I know I probably just said excited like 10 times, but I'm going to link all the products I used in the description box below if you guys want to check those out. Everything is from Sally's. If it's not in the description box, it's no longer sold, so or I can't find it online. Let me know if you actually followed my tutorial. I'd love to know. You can feel free to add me on my social media below as well. I would love to be friends with all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me some suggestions down below of what you'd like me to film next. Hopefully this result was good for you guys. I'm gonna leave it at that. I've been talking for a really long time. I don't know if I'm gonna keep any of that rambling in here. I love you guys so much. Bye!